Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy AP, back finally. I know it's been a while since my last video, and I owe you guys an explanation. Long story short, life gets crazy. You know, doing these videos for y'all takes a lot of time. You know, a lot of people don't see the stuff that goes behind the scenes of it. It takes me at least 4 hours to make every single video. So between everyday life responsibilities, engineering for other artists, owning my own business, sometimes it gets hard to make these videos and make the time to make these videos. So y'all, the only thing I really ever ask is if you just please smash that like button and maybe drop a comment. It helps a lot with this channel. You know, it helps this channel keep going. You know, all I do here is just try and help all y'all and teach y'all how to mix and master for free. So just smashing that like button really helps the channel a lot, you know, more than you even know. So with all that being said, I'm excited to announce this new upload schedule that I'm gonna be doing every week. I'm gonna be uploading 2 videos every single week. Every Tuesday, I'm gonna be uploading some sort of mixing tutorial where I show you guys something about mixing or mastering, mixing and mastering. So it's gonna be tutorial Tuesdays. I might be showing you how to sound like, you know, Post Malone, or sound like, you know, fucking, I don't know, Nav or something. That's gonna be on Tuesdays. Or I'm just gonna be showing you how to compress, or how to double compress, or how to gate. You know, all these, we're gonna be breaking down plugins. That's every Tuesday, tutorial Tuesdays. And every Friday, I'm gonna be giving out a free beat. So, and free beat for anyone to use. You know, I'm gonna be uploading free beats on Fridays, free beat Fridays. Easy to remember, tutorial Tuesdays, free beat Fridays. And mind you, free beat Fridays is free beats, you know, for anyone to use. For nonprofit, you can make a song out of it, put it on SoundCloud, you can make a music video to it. It's a free beat. You can use it, do whatever you want with it, you know, every Friday. So if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so that you're one of the first people to see the free beat, you know, every Friday. And you get that notification that says, boom, Mixed by AP just dropped a new beat, a new fucking Trippie Redd type beat, or whatever it might be. Yeah, I'm really excited about this new schedule. It's gonna be able to keep some consistency between me and you guys. Like, just being able to, every Tuesday, you can basically rely on learning something new when it comes to mixing and perfecting your craft. And together, by watching my channel, you're gonna learn eventually how to just mix and master everything that you do perfectly. Appreciate everybody that's along for this journey with me. I don't know what else to say. If you haven't hit that like button yet, your grandma sucked in the 1950s. So remember that. All right. I'll see you guys on Tuesday, I think. Today's Friday. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday.